Returning your rental car can sometimes be a stressful experience, but with a little preparation, you can make it quick and hassle-free. Here's how to ensure a smooth return process. Review the return policy before renting. Each rental company has different return policies, and it's crucial to understand these before booking your car. Read the contract to get the transparent details about return policies, so you're never caught off guard by unexpected fees or time restrictions. Top off the gas tank. Most rental agreements require you to return the car with a full tank of gas. Failing to do so can result in expensive refueling fees. Plan your route to the nearest gas station before returning the vehicle. Do a final inspection. Before returning the car, check for any personal belongings you may have left behind and ensure the car is in the same condition as when you picked it up. Taking photos of the car's condition can also be helpful in case of any disputes. Return the car on time. Returning the car late or sometimes early can incur additional fees, so it's essential to stick to the agreed-upon return time. Be sure to track your rental period and consider setting reminders on your phone to help you return the vehicle on time without any additional charges. Conclusion: returning a rental car doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal. With a little preparation and by understanding the return policies, you can ensure a smooth, hassle-free process.